Hey YouTube, you know, it would be nice if I could force my videos to automatically show my captions. You know what I'm saying?
Dude, you can already do that.
Really? Once you get those beautiful captions or translations uploaded to YouTube by Rev, you get there are other languages spoken in the world, right? It would be nice to have YouTube just display them, wouldn't it? The people watching your videos might want to see the text or captions, also known as subtitles, of what's being said. They could be on a subway and it's too loud, in the workplace, not wanting to disturb others. They could be hard of hearing, hearing impaired or deaf. Maybe the audio quality is poor as the footage was shot outside with a large noisy crowd and you can't hear the speaker, or there was a faulty microphone when the footage was shot. Maybe the person's accent is too hard to understand, or they've spoken in another language not familiar with your audience. Or maybe they are pretending to listen to their mom while she starts lecturing them and have to mute the sound, but don't want to miss the video. Here's a little known secret. It's ridiculously easy to tell YouTube you want your captions to be automatically shown on your videos. See this text? Just drop that code into your YouTube tags and voila! When someone plays your video, the captions will be automatically on.
Geek moment!
If you're using YouTube Embed Code to embed videos on a website, just add the code question cc_load_policy=1 at the end of URL inside the iframe. Embed code that looks like this ends up looking like this. So get those captions or translations into your videos using Reb and simply add that Force Captions On flag to your YouTube videos and you're good to go. If you like these tips, hit that subscribe button because there's a lot more coming your way. I hope that helps, and thanks for watching. Lethologica, the inability to remember the right ice cream. No, lethologica, the inability to remember the right hamburger. It's the inability to remember the right socks, right airplane, right bus, right underwear, right dog. I can't remember the right word.